How can I fix blurry videos on my Android device?
Hello and welcome. In this guide, we're going to tackle a common problem: blurry videos on your Android device. Whether you're playing back videos you've shot or you're experiencing quality issues with online streaming, this video will help you resolve it. The main aim is to get your videos playing clearly and smoothly.
Why are my videos blurry on my Android device?
The first thing to understand is why videos might appear blurry on your Android device. It could be due to a number of reasons, such as low-quality original video, problems with your video player, issues with your internet connection if you're streaming, or even insufficient storage space on your device.
Checking the original video quality.
The first step in fixing blurry videos is checking the original video quality. Remember, you can't improve the quality beyond the original source. If the video was recorded or saved at a low resolution, then it will play back in low resolution. There's not much you can do in these cases. To check the video resolution, you can usually tap on the video details in your Android device's file manager.
Updating video playback apps.
Sometimes, the problem might be with the video playback app you're using. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that might solve your problem. You can update apps through Google Play Store.
Checking internet connection for streaming videos.
If you're experiencing issues with streaming videos, your internet connection might be to blame. Make sure you're on a stable and high-speed internet connection. If you're on a slow or unstable connection, your video might be auto-downgraded to a lower resolution to ensure smoother playback.
Clearing cache and storage space.
Finally, make sure your device has enough storage space. Android devices can perform poorly when they're running out of space. Also, clear the cache of your video app. Over time, cached data might lead to video playback issues. To clear cache or check storage, go to Settings, Apps greater than, Your app, greater than Storage, Clear Cache, Clear Data. So there you have it, folks. By checking the original video quality, ensuring your apps are updated, maintaining a strong internet connection, and clearing cache as well as ensuring sufficient storage, you can fix blurry videos on your Android device. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you can now enjoy your videos in all their intended clarity. Thanks for watching.